Okay, I'm about to show you a video how to replace a motherboard or computer board for a mpress. This is a Heat Nation heat press that the motherboard, I believe, is malfunctioning. So I'm going to show you a video how I replace it. So this is the old motherboard, which I got a piece of black tape on describing this the old one. Okay. So what I did was I unhooked the wires. There's a red wire that goes at the bottom and a black wire at the top, and then there's a connector, as you can see on the inside of here. I'm going to adjust this in such a way that you can take a look. Okay, so the connector is already undone and the wires are undone. I just snapped in the new motherboard or the computer board, and this all it does is just once you unhook these wires, the red and the black, which is right here, this is the red wire and the black wire at the top, and you unsnap the plug-in portion, and you just snap out the motherboard. It's not that hard. It really pops right out. Quick demonstration. Okay, so it pops out easily, and it pops back in easily. And all you're going to do is hook up the red wire to the bottom and the black wire to the top, and reconnect the connector and plug your unit back in, which I have it unplugged at this moment. And that's it. And that's exactly how you change out a motherboard. Now I can't hold this camera and show you how to hook these up, but I'll come back with the finished product. Again, here's the old motherboard or computer board that I believe is malfunctioning. That's why the unit only reads zeros across the top. And that's another thing I want to explain to you. If your machine, when you turn it on, and the on and off switch is right here, and it doesn't read the current temperature of inside the room, or like what's the unit supposed to be reading, then you got issues with either the motherboard or maybe a wiring. Right now, I'm just going to change up the motherboard. But I do have a wire just in case it's even more in depth. If these wires, this particular wire that's connected, which is the red and black wire that leads all the way up into the heating unit itself. Now if that is bad, then I'm going to have to change up this whole entire black wire. Not the snap wire, not this one with the white connectors, not this connector wire, but the red and black wire. It'll be these two, which threads all the way around and goes up into the back, into the machine. Alright, so I'll be back with a video and let's see how that works.